Hello, I'm Maria Zia reporting to you from Santa Fe. Today's top story is version 9.2 of the Share Financial System, coming the week of October 9th, 2017. Back in April, the state of New Mexico successfully upgraded their HCM system. Now they are turning their full attention to the changes coming with the Financials upgrade. A goal of the Financials upgrade is not only to have the latest version of Share, but also to standardize processes across state agencies. This means users in different agencies will be able to share best practices and more easily train new employees on how to use Share. With Share Financials 9.2, state employees can also look forward to new features like digital attachments, simplified approvals, and more accurate reporting. Our financials correspondent, Frank Finance, has more on this story. Welcome, Frank.
Thanks, Maria. First, I want to show you the new look and feel of the upcoming Financials 9.2 homepage. The homepage will look a lot like this, but may have a different combination of tiles for each user. Tiles are customized to correspond to each Financials user according to their job duties. Next, I'll tell you about an exciting new feature in Share Financials 9.2 that enables digital attachments for payment vouchers, purchase orders, journal entries, and more. In Financials 9.2, users will no longer have to mail paper forms for these transactions. For example, when creating a voucher, users will be able to scan the invoice and upload it to Share instead of sending it in the mail. That's going to save Financials users a lot of time.
This is exciting stuff, Frank. I heard something about a new approval process in Financials 9.2. Could you explain that to our viewers?
Sure, Maria. Share Financials 9.2 will have a streamlined approval process that will simplify some of the steps involved in procurement. For example, let's look at the invoice we uploaded using the attachments function. In Financials 9.2, that invoice will be attached to a voucher which will be sent for approval through Share. The approvers will receive a checklist in Share of vouchers ready for their approval. These streamlined approvals will make a lot of business processes quicker and easier. The last thing I want to tell you about is reporting in Financials 9.2. Today, reports are not always reliable in Share, so a lot of users depend on queries instead. With reporting improvements and data cleanup in Financials 9.2, reports will be more accurate and useful. Users will still have access to the queries they need, but they will be able to depend on reporting to get the correct information. Back to you, Maria.
Thank you, Frank, for that preview of some of the features coming with Share Financials 9.2. To learn the details on all of the changes coming with Financials 9.2, users can look forward to training courses, videos, and job aids starting in September. Until then, users can always visit the Share Information Center for helpful resources, or reach out to the Share Upgrade team for help. That's all I have for you today. Until next time, I'm Maria Zia, and this is Share News. Brought to you by the State of New Mexico.